Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about ketogenic diet side effects. So if you like the video related to Turtle Hill, I would like to request you all, please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. Ketogenic diet side effect. Although the adverse effect related to the ketogenic diet are generally lesser than those of anticonvulsant medication used to treat epilepsy, individuals following the diet may experience a number of undesirable effects. Short-term side effects. There are several short-term side effects that are most evident at the beginning of therapy, particularly when patients commence the diet with an initial fast. Hypoglycemia is a common side effect in the instance, and noticeable signs may include excessive thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, hunger, confusion, anxiety, or irritability. Tachycardia, lightheadedness and shakiness, sweating, and chills. Additionally, patients may also experience some constipation, low-grade acidosis. This effect tend to improve when the diet is continued as the body adapts to the new diet and adjusts the ways in which it sources energy. Alteration in blood composition as the result of the changes in dietary consumption and the body's adaptive mechanism to cope with the reduced carbohydrate intake. There are several changes in the blood composition of individuals following the ketogenic diet. In particular, the levels of lipids and cholesterol in the blood are commonly higher than what is considered to be normal. More than 60% of patients have raised lipid levels, and more than 30% have high levels of cholesterol. If these changes are profound and there is some concern about the health of the child, slight changes to the diet can be made for the individual patient. For example, saturated fat sources can be substituted for polyunsaturated fat. In some cases, it may be necessary to lower the ketogenic ratio and reduce the proportion of fat to carbohydrate and protein in the diet. Then it comes to long-term effect. When the ketogenic diet is continued for extended periods of time, there are other adverse effects that become more evident and have a greater impact on individuals. Kidney stones, also known as nephrolithiasis, are a common complication for children following the diet, with approximately 5% of patients suffering from the condition. So it is, however, treatable, and the current recommendations suggest that the diet should be continued. The formation of kidney stone is believed to be linked to hypocalciuria and hypercalciuria, when acidosis causes the bone to demineralize. Additionally, low pH in the urine can encourage the formation of crystals and eventually kidney stones. There is some evidence that supplementation with potassium citrate reduces the incidence of kidney stones as it binds to and reduces the level of calcium in the bloodstream. More research on this is required. However, additionally, patients have an increased risk of bone fractures. This arises from the altered levels of insulin-like growth factors 1 and the effect of acidosis. Acidosis leads to erosion of bone, weakening the bone and leaving them prone to fractures. In order to manage these side effects, supplementation of vitamins and minerals are routinely administered to patients following the ketogenic diet. This commonly comprises of multivitamin, calcium, and vitamin D supplement. Now, side effect in adult. For adult following the ketogenic diet, the most common complications include weight loss, constipation, increased level of cholesterol, and triglycerides. Women may also experience so many problems and other disruption to the menstrual cycle. That's all about the ketogenic diet in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely comment the next video with my other content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.